Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain. Thanks for joining me today. I have a design here which I've made, and I drew this myself, made a cut file out of it. I'll put the link below. And it's very pretty, but I made a mistake in cutting it out of this particular colour of glitter cardstock, because this is quite difficult to put onto any particular colour base other than white, but I wanted some extra colour in it. So I've decided to put it on an acetate sheet and then colour the back of the acetate with alcohol markers. Now I've got my stamp positioning tool here, my Tim Holtzy thing, and I'm going to get my piece of acetate, which has been cut to very slightly smaller than the card front, and I'm just going to pop that into the corner. I'm going to put some spray adhesive on the back of this and then use that to position it in place, because it's quite difficult to line this up because it's obviously a little bit floppy. And this should make it a lot easier to line up, and yeah, it has. That's made it a lot easier, because the last thing you want when you're doing this on acetate is to end up with glue in areas where there shouldn't be any. So in order to make sure that's stuck down, I'm just going to take a piece of scrap card and press firmly over the top. Again, just in case there's any traces of glue on my fingers, I don't want to put that over my acetate if I can possibly help it. And now I can colour the back without any difficulty. And let's see what this does. Yeah, that's pretty actually. I've got a bit of a fade in there, so yeah, I quite like the look of that.
Use the same colour background underneath so you can see what you've actually done and the result, and also work from light to dark because you won't be able to go the other way round.
So here is the finished card. I've just put on a little sentiment on the bottom, propped it up on foam tape. It is a larger card than normal. This is an A5 size, so bear that in mind. You might not find it easy to cut that file out of a smaller size. But I think it's a great card. It doesn't take very long to do, and it's pretty effective. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments below. Take care now.